In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Mailerlite subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to stop future charges and move to the free plan if that's what you want. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into your account and that you have the right permissions to manage billing. Also keep in mind that interface labels can change slightly over time, but the overall flow stays the same. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Mailerlite. From the results, click the official Mailerlite website. If you see ads or similarly named sites, double-check the domain before proceeding to avoid any lookalikes. Once you're on the Mailerlite homepage, click Login, typically found at the top right. Enter your credentials and complete any security prompts. After you're signed in, you'll land in your dashboard. From here, head to your account area. Look for your profile icon or your account menu and select Account Settings. This is where Mailerlite keeps organization-level options, including your subscription details and billing information. Inside Account Settings, open the Plan and Billing tab. This section shows your current plan, your billing cadence, and what you're paying for. It's helpful to pause for a moment and confirm which plan you're on and when your renewal date is, so you know whether changes take effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period. Next, find and click the Upgrade or Downgrade button. Even though it mentions upgrading or downgrading, this is also the path you use to cancel a paid plan. Clicking it will take you to a screen where you can compare available plans. On the Plan Selection screen, choose the free plan. After selecting it, confirm your choice by clicking Cancel Subscription or Downgrade, depending on the wording you see. Mailerlite may phrase the final action differently based on your current plan, but the result is the same. You're moving to the free tier and stopping further paid billing. Follow any prompts that appear and wait for the confirmation message. Once confirmed, you should see your plan status update, and you may receive a confirmation email. Your account will continue to function with free plan limits, and paid features will either stop immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. If you're already on the free plan, there's nothing to cancel and you're all set. That's it. You've now navigated to the right place, reviewed your plan, and confirmed the downgrade to free to cancel your subscription. If something doesn't look right, check the Help Center or reach out to support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.